Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about Toshiba double door fridge. This is very popular refrigerator in the Toshiba brand. Its model number is GR-W31MPB. I will now figure out what the problem is with this fridge and try to solve. First I have to unscrew the all screws. I put the screwdriver in and lightly pull it open. After opening the top cover, there are two more screws inside, so I have to unscrew these two screws also. There are several causes for a refrigerator that doesn't cool. The main causes is sensor problem, heater problem, and sometimes defrost timer problem. This is a common fact. The problem with the fridge now I am looking at its sensor problem. You open it the same way I open it. You can see this one is thermal fuse, its safety device. It's normally interrupt electric currents when heated to a specific temperature. And can see this one is defrost sensor. Now I am opening this device. Defrost sensor, also called bimetal thermistor, it is a component of refrigerator system and that monitoring the temperature of the evaporator coil. It's help prevent the buildup of ice by triggering the defrost cycle when needed, allowing the ice to melt and maintaining efficient operation. So now I am cutting these two cable for checking. After cutting the sensor, I connect two wires. Then I have to check the heater is okay or not. As you can see, I have attached it. Now I am going to the back part of this fridge, and is there have a box. This box have a device. Its name is DEfrost timer. It's working like as a clock. Can see if you turn it slowly and the heater switch will fall into it. So can see now I am showing these things again. The sound changed and fell into the heater. Its main function is in the refrigerator control the defrost cycle, helping prevent ice buildup on the evaporator coil. Note that the compressor will not run right now. Now I will go to the front of the fridge and I'm checking this heater is okay or not. You can see is there have electric. If I put my hand in front of the evaporator, I can feel some hot. It means heater is working. So now I have to change the defrost sensor. This sensor need to be set exact spot where I cut it off earlier. The area where I attached the sensor should wrap well. Then you have to set this sensor. Remember to disconnect electric connection before you install the sensor. Sensor should be connected to the accumulator of the fridge. So now I am connecting it. It must be installed exactly as I show you, so can follow. So I already set this sensor. I will now install the all of the part as before the fridge. Now I fully set up this fridge as before. You can see. And right now I am going to the back part of the fridge. You can see is there have timer. It's normally called defrost timer. Its main function is Refrigerator typically use a combination of the temperature to determine when to defrost. Many modern refrigerators are equipped with automatic defrost system that rely on a timer to initiate the defrost cycle at regular intervals such as every 6 to 12 hours. Now I will wait like 20 minutes because of right now heater is on. After 20 minutes compressor will start, so I have to wait. Alhamdulillah, this fridge is fully ready right now. If you guys watch this kind of video more, please kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the all update fast. So stay safe. Allah Hafiz.